In earlier video, I explained theorem based on a triangle, angle sum property, exterior angle theorem, and more theorems. Now, sums based on all those theorems. So, AC is perpendicular on CE. Angle A is to B is to C equals to 3:2:1. Find angle ECD. Okay, so these three angles are 3, 2 and 1. Okay. So solution. Let angle A is to B is to angle C equals to 3x is to 2x is to 1x according to angle sum property. 3x plus 2x plus x equals to 180 degree. So 6x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 upon 6. Value of x is 30 degree. Okay. Now, so angle 1x equals to 30 degree. It is given 90 degree. It is AC is perpendicular. It is given AC is perpendicular on CE. And we have to find this. Okay, so angle ACB plus angle ACE plus angle ECD equals to 180 degree. Reason: linear pair. Okay, so it is 30 degree. It is given 90 degree plus angle ECD equals to 180 degree. So angle ECD equals to 180 minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. You have to write here. It is given AC is perpendicular on CE. It is given. Okay, so it's your answer. Okay. Now next question is, in triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular on AC and CE is perpendicular on AB. If BD and CE intersect at O, prove angle BOC equals to 180 minus angle A. Okay, so A, B, C. So it is given, it is perpendicular here and it is also perpendicular. Okay, and they intersect at O. So BD CE. Okay, so what is given? Given BD is perpendicular on AC and CE is perpendicular on AB. Okay, now to prove is angle BOC equals to 180 degree minus angle A. Now proof. In quadrilateral AEOD. Okay, so angle A plus angle AEO AEO plus angle ADO plus angle EOD equals to 360 degree. In quadrilateral, sum of all angle is 360 degree. Right here, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, so 90 angle A plus 90 plus 90 plus angle EOD equals to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle EOD equals to 180 will transpose there. So 180. Okay. 360 minus 180. 180. So angle EOD, thus angle EOD equals to 180 degree minus angle A. Okay. Now angle EOD, look in this diagram, angle EOD and this angle BOC are vertically opposite angles, so they are angle equal. Since angle EOD equals to angle BOC, reason is vertically opposite angles. So angle BOC equals to 180 minus angle A, hence proved. Now next question is AE bisect angle CAD. CAD. Angle B equals to C. These two angles are equal. Prove AE is parallel to BC. We have to prove AE is parallel to BC. Okay. So given AE bisect angle CAD, angle B equals to angle C. To prove AE is parallel to BC. Okay. Now proof. So angle B plus C equals to CAD according to exterior angle property. Okay. So according to exterior angle property, angle B plus angle C equals to angle CAD. Okay. So 2x means I am taking it x. Okay. So 2x equals to angle CAD. Since AE is angle bisector, since AE is angle bisector, so angle DAE equals to CAE, angle CAE equals to x. These two angles will be x and x. Now see, alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. Thus angle EAC equals to BCA, angle BCA. Okay. So AE parallel to BC. Alternate interior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. alternate interior angles equal. So equal. So proved. Hence it is proved. Okay. Now next question is find x. Quadrilateral is given. In earlier classes we read about convex polygon and concave polygon. Okay. So in convex polygon all the angles are less than 180 degree, and in concave polygon one angle is more than 180 degree. Okay. So first we will find this angle. So in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree, angle sum property of quadrilateral. So 35 degree plus 45 degree plus 50 degree plus angle D, that is ADC, this angle equals to 360 degree. So angle D equals to 360 minus 130 degree. 130 degree. So angle D equals to 230 degree. Okay. So okay. So we got this angle. Now this is the flex angle, this is complete angle, and complete angle is of 360 degree. Now angle ADC, that is D, ADC plus x equals to 360 degree. Reason? Complete angle. So angle x equals to 360 minus 230 degree. So angle x equals to 130 degree. Value of x is 130 degree. It's our answer.